Well, we're here today in Sydney. We're playing a bit of a prank on some Liverpool supporters. They think I'm a sound engineer for the new LFC and Western Union podcast. I'm John Barnes, but today I'm Eric, the podcast sound engineer.
Welcome, welcome.
Hey.
Hello.
What they don't know is that I know that it's John Barnes.
Before we get started, I'll introduce you to my soundie. Great guy, majority of the time, but you will hear him occasionally pop up.
No swearing, no chewing gum, no sneezing. I know it sounds a bit strange, but really sensitive headphones.
Today's LFC podcast is proudly brought to you by Western Union. Download our app for a quick and easy way to send money globally for cash pickup or direct to a bank account.
Let's get going.
Thank you. I got you, buddy. I got you. Thanks. Well, tell me what it's like being a Liverpool fan living in Australia.
Tough.
Lots of coffee, early mornings, look great.
Sorry, mate, sorry. I forgot to press record.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but
that's just your one job. Sorry, guys.
It's a bit more than that,
Actually,
but
I'll ask 60 seconds of LFC-related questions.
Start. Go.
Question number 1. Who is the current Liverpool
Jordan
captain?
Henderson.
I don't know, maybe give me a chance to spit out the question. Which former Liverpool manager has a brown belt judo?
Dalglish.
Incorrect. Rafa Benitez. Which former Red changed career to become a horse jockey?
Emil Heskey.
Sorry, guys. We're just going to pause that for a quick second.
But the
You
questions
don't
are-
need to be answering the questions.
No, but
You're not the fan today. You're their sound engineer.
what about the questions
You're
you've been
not
asking?
enough.
They've been rubbish, the
Enough.
questions.
Name the new LFC sponsor featuring on the 2017...
Western Union.
Well, who is your ultimate Liverpool hero?
I'd say Stevie G.
John Barnes. I
Good
just
choice.
absolutely love the way he played.
Could you just get a bit closer to the mic?
I think his contribution at
A
the
little
moment.
bit closer.
This is the Phone a Legend segment. Can you guys hear that coming through? Yes. Great. Barnesy, hello, it's Lucy Zelich calling from the LFC podcast. We've got some very excited Australian fans.
Hello,
Who's this?
Brian Dean
Hello?
in Australia.
Yeah, we know
1
that
o'clock in the morning. You've woke my wife up.
Thank you for your contribution to LFC over many years. Who was the best or the most influential player in your career at Liverpool while you were there?
Oh my God! No way.
Patrick, sorry for giving that high time. Get closer to the mic.
Brother Eric was a bit of a pain in the neck and we got used to him.
As a sound engineer, completely hopeless.
Well, it's been a long day.
Well, I didn't expect John Barnes to be here. I honestly thought he was on the phone in England. He's a legend in my eyes and will always be a Liverpool legend.
Download the Western Union app now to send money quickly and reliably around the world.